All right, folks, let's dive into one of the hottest topics today. Will AI take your job? I know, it sounds like a sci-fi movie plot, but with AI advancing at lightning speed, it's a reality we need to talk about. So, which jobs are most at risk? Jobs involving routine, structured tasks. Think data entry, administrative roles, and customer service. AI can process and organize data faster and more accurately than humans. Chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service, handling inquiries, bookings, and support issues with ease. Then there's manufacturing. Robots powered by AI are performing repetitive physical tasks like assembling products and packaging. Retail checkout positions are also on the line. Automated checkouts and self-service kiosks are becoming common. Even basic analytical roles aren't safe. AI can process large data sets, identify trends, and generate reports. Entry-level graphic design tasks like creating logos and social media posts are being automated. Translation services. AI-powered translators are handling multiple languages. Even corporate photography is seeing automation in basic tasks. But hold on, it's not all doom and gloom. While AI may replace certain jobs, it's also creating new opportunities. Jobs that require complex decision-making, emotional intelligence, and creativity are on the rise. So how do you adapt? First, embrace change. Focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replicate: creativity, empathy, and complex problem-solving. Education and training programs are evolving to equip individuals with these in-demand skills. Remember, the key to success in the age of AI is lifelong learning and adaptability. Stay informed about technological advancements and continuously update your skill set. By doing this, you'll position yourself for success in a job market that values human-centered skills alongside technological proficiency. In conclusion, yes, AI is changing the job market, but it's not the end of the world. By focusing on your unique human attributes and staying adaptable, you can navigate this evolving landscape and secure a fulfilling career. So what do you think? Ready to embrace the future? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to thrive in the AI age. Thanks for watching.